Hi everybody, welcome to our first video on coding with kids. The program that you're seeing in front of you is the one we were speaking about called Scratch. It's absolutely free, just takes a few minutes to get signed up and then you can begin creating right away. So Deanna, why don't you show them how to create a project? Okay, let's go to create. Okay, there you go, we'll go to create. Takes a few minutes and you can see all these codes, blocks, building, ready to be used in your project. Okay, now this is a screen that we come up to, and we're going to explain a little bit about what the screen is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, okay. So this over here is our characters, or we call them sprites, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can choose whatever character we want. And what are these over here? Are these the block codes?
Yeah.
Yep, those are the block codes that we're going to use to design our program. And then these are all the different things, the headings, like motion, looks, sound, events, and control. So we're going to create a little dance studio, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay, so why don't you choose your sprite or your character? Show everybody how to do that.
Okay, so all we had to do is press this button and press this magnifying glass.
Right.
So pick any characters that you like. So you pick Avery that she's walking.
Okay, there's your character.
And we delete Scratch the cat.
Okay.
Go away.
Okay, so what do we do? What's our first step now that we've got our character?
The first one that we had to go to the events and get the green.
Right, when clicked. Excellent. And then what do? We go to control. And we're going to need what? A forever loop, right? And what this does is when we put in the code, it will keep on going until we ask it to stop, right?
Yeah.
So now we want to use our keyboard to tell Avery what to do. So we need an if statement, right?
Yep.
We got to grab an if block.
Where?
Whoop.
Whoops.
You were just there. Go back to your controls. Okay, let's grab that if block.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. We'll drag that over and we'll drop it in place. And this is all part of block coding. So now we want to grab a sensing. So we'll click on the blue sensing on the bottom, or right there. There we go. And we will select a block that says key pressed. You see it right there? Right there. There you go. And we're going to drag it into that little section right in our if block. There we go. So now from this arrow, we're going to select the right arrow key. If you click on this arrow here, try it on space, and let's select right arrow. Okay, so what's going to happen is when we press the right arrow, we want our character to do something. So we'll go to motion. There we go, and we'll choose move, the very top one. Yeah, just drag that over. Oh, that's okay.
-5?
No, we want to do +5, right? So just a regular 5 steps.
Plus?
No, we just have to put in 5.
Oh.
There we go. That's it, and drag it over now. Right under here. There we go. Okay, so what's going to happen now when we click our green flag and then we select our right arrow key, our character is going to move 5 steps. So why don't you try that, Deanna? Click the green flag. There you go. Hit the right arrow key. Okay, just once. Now you can see she's just kind of sliding and she's not really walking. So there's something in here where we can actually create animation just by changing costumes so it flips back and forth. So let's find look, and where's that next costume, Deanna?
It's right here.
Right there. Okay, let's put that under the move. Okay, so what's going to happen now when you click the green flag and hit your right arrow key? It should look like she's walking.
Yep.
There we go. Okay, perfect. So now we want to create you wanted to create a little dance, right? So why don't we create another block, left key, and make it look like she's sort of break dancing.
Where?
Okay, so let's go back to event or controls. Let's add an if statement again. Right there, that's it. Let's drop it right under here. There we go. Whoops, pull it right under there. That's it. And now we're going to select a sensing, go back to our sensing, and we're going to we're actually going to select another key option right here. And we'll drop it right in that box. There we go. And now we need to go over to motion. Oh, sorry, yeah, left key. Sure, you can put that in now if you like.
Left arrow?
Left arrow key, yep, because we're going to have her go the other way. So let's go to motion. Yep, there we go. Grab that.
What?
Oh, the top one.
Oh.
You're good. Yep. Now, here's what we have to do. So when we press the arrow key, she moves 5 steps in one direction. Now, to move her back in the other direction, what do we have to do with this 5?
Press green?
Nope. What do we have to make this 5 number? Because we want her to go the other way. -5? Is that what you're going to do?
Yep.
Okay. Oops, what's going on here?
Oops.
Let's click on that.
I forgot to click it.
There you go. Let's see if we got -5. There we go. All right, so let's, now we're not going to put the next costume because we actually want her to slide backwards, right? Okay, so hit your left arrow key. See if she slides back. Hit your left arrow key. And okay, now walk forward and slide back. Hey, now we got a little dance going on. So what should we have next? Shouldn't she have a cool background or something?
Yeah.
There we go. So let's look for that. Okay, so let's scroll down and find something interesting. Oh, that looks good. Good choice. Wow, look at that. Now, she's dancing, so what else do we need? We need some kind of, she should be dancing.
Oh, music.
Ah, there we go. Okay, so let's go to sounds, and let's look for something.
Oops.
Oh, just hit the backspace, that's okay. And let's look for, use the magnifying glass. There we go. Now, we're going to use loops, right? Because it'll keep playing for us. There we go. And let's hover right over this one. That sound like a good sit? That sound good? Okay. So we'll click on that to select it. And now we'll go back to our code tab right there. Okay. So we want to click on the background here so we can add the music to the background. There we go. So now we got to go to what? Events on the left-hand side there. There we go. And when clicked. And we want the music to play all the time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what do we need to do in our controls? Our control buttons here. Nope, our control buttons right there. We need a forever loop, right?
Yep, to keep playing.
That's right. Now we can put in our music. So we'll go to sound and oops, don't quite see it there. So let's go back to our sound. It didn't. We'll go back to our sound tab. Okay, let's look for the sound again. For some reason it didn't stick. Let's go to loops. There you go. And dance funky. Let's click on the arrow. All right, now let's go back to our backdrops. And let's go to our code just to the left of it. There it is, right there. Play sound, funky music. Let's drop that in there. Okay, so now let's make this big, make our screen big, clicking right here.
Even bigger.
Now, are you ready to get some dancing done? Okay, so click the green flag and let's see how you do. Well, that was pretty quick. That didn't take long, did it?
No way.
Okay, well, I hope you guys found this helpful. Experiment, play with it. We're going to come back with some other videos and create some games and other characters. You're only limited by your imagination, so have a lot of fun, experiment, and maybe we'll come back and do another game sometime, eh? What do you think?
Yeah, and give us 1,000 likes.
Bye all. That's great.